God bless. I'm cooking grits with my Kelly and my candles. You see the water bubbling out of it. You know how grits are, they'll burn if you don't keep an eye on them, if you don't stir them once in a while. I'm just showing what you could do with the little kit. See? It takes about 35 minutes. About 35 minutes, 5-minute grits. I'm using all candle power. Trying to hold the camera, the phone, and show you it's cooking. Like I said, this is a Kettle kit, the large cook set, the ultimate set. I got it off Amazon. As you can see, I'm cooking the candles, the tea kettles. I think it's only like 3 or 4 of them. It's only 4 of them on, and it's already got the temperature too high. So you don't need that many candles. As you can see, the grits is done, almost totally done. As crazy as it sounds, it's probably cheaper to use candle to cook your food. This is better than using electricity. And you're getting heat off of it. I think the temperature is about 200, 165. Food is at 140. I'm going to show you how you can use your kit during the survival if you had a power outage. I'm going to take this off because this is cooking. This is done. One, two, three, 4. All you need is really 4. I'm just showing what you could use to cook food. You don't have to have, excuse me, my phone. You don't have to use the, have electricity. And the way times are getting bad, it's cheaper just to use the candles to cook. That's like what our forefathers done in the past, in the 1800s, before they discovered electricity. That's how they used to cook food over fire. In this case, we're using candles. God bless. Thank you for watching.